Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miha and today I'm bringing you another room decor video. I moved in this apartment about half a year ago. Since then, I've been thinking of a lot of ideas how to decorate each individual room. I've been really enjoying the process of decorating my new place. So I've done my living room, my bedroom, even a little bit of the bathroom, and now the last room I've got to do is my study room. So what you can see behind me right now is my desk where I work and do all of my editing. Having a set workstation separating from other rooms really helps me to stay focused when I'm working, and also helps me maintain a good posture when sitting up and doing my work to prevent any kind of OHS issues, just slouching around. And at the end of the day, I personally, if I just work on my laptop and just stay in bed or on my couch, it won't be as effective as when I have a set workstation. So I'm the type of person who like to change up the home decor every 3 to 6 months. That's why I don't want to invest in something that is too expensive, because I know that I'm gonna change it again in the next season. So I come up with an idea to use all the materials that I've got left from my previous DIY project to decorate this study room. The total budget for this project is about $10 max. If you are someone who's looking for a budget-friendly, affordable home decor ideas, keep on watching.
My old lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Well, my ex got baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close
Sometimes I get a little greenish shade of jealousy. In truth, it's how I know that you're the one for me. And when you're seeing red, come over, we can talk it through. I'll throw a warmer shade on your colder moods, yeah. Drip, drip in the canvas frame. Take a second to appreciate the beautiful mess we make. I don't wanna paint by numbers. That just ain't the way I wanna love ya. Baby, let the colors bleed. We don't need to keep it clean. Let's mix it up together for each other. Loving watercolor, watercolor. Feels like sometimes I get so blue, there's no one getting through. But you come sliding down in honeysuckle, cream and nude. Drip, drip in the canvas frame. Take a second to appreciate the beautiful mess we make. I don't wanna paint by numbers. That just ain't the way I wanna love ya. Baby, let the colors bleed. We don't need to keep it clean. Let's mix it up together for each other. Loving watercolor, watercolor. Drip, drip from the canvas frame. Take a second to appreciate the beautiful mess we make. I don't wanna paint by numbers. That just ain't the way I wanna love ya. Baby, let the colors bleed. We don't need to keep it clean. Let's mix it up together for each other. Loving watercolor, watercolor.
같은 방 같은 침대에서 이른 아침 눈을 떠 Turn off the light 버튼 사이 햇살이 충분히 비추는 걸 yeah. TV 드라마 movie 속 주인공 같은 아침을 선물해줘 너에게 해줄 breakfast 하얀 아침처럼 해줄게 내가 옆으로 아침 눈을 떠 Turn off the light 버튼 사이 햇살이 충분히 비추는 걸 yeah. TV 드라마 movie 속 주인공 같은 아침을 선물해줘 너에게 해줄 breakfast 아침처럼 해줄게 내가 옆으로 누울 때 날 볼 수 있게 널 향해 누울게 허리를 꽉 감싸 안아줘 You're my love, 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 your love Whoa. 둘이 나누는 인상 아니 In again, 선물인 걸 기분 좋은 아침이야 어제 하루는 어땠어 화장하지 못한 눈길이 널 괴롭히니 걱정돼 내게만 들어놔 널 괴롭힌 시선은 내가 가져가 말해봐 내가 혼내줄게 난 잠에 들 것이 불을 위해 내 무릎을 베어줄게 So have a good night My old lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one Cause I want something deeper If I'ma find a keeper Not saying I'm some genius But I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for Yeah, I want something deeper If I find him, I'ma keep him Not saying I'm some genius But I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for Well, my ex got baggage like a bellhop Yeah, I love a cry for help But I'm tired of lying with liars You're the truth, I'm scared to tell
I hope this video give you some idea for your next room decor. And if you decide to try it out, don't forget to tag me in your Instagram post. My Instagram is live with Miha. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, click here. I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. Stay creative. Bye.
Want something deeper